picture you walking with your father at your side.
I can't wait to spend my lifetime with you. I promise to love you always, to listen to you in every way, to respect you, to listen to you, but listen to me too.
Love happens when we see ourselves in the mirror of God.
As I stand beside you, I say, baby, isn't it crazy that we are born only to die? Oh, but lately I've been
I never imagined marrying a man like you who treats me like a princess. Dati ako lagi driver, ngayon passenger princess na.
loving you.
So, love, tulad sinabi ko sa'yo, from the start, I choose to be with you not just for the sake of our having a relationship, but for the prayers that I ask God to make our relationship grow and to last forever.
Loving you, loving you, loving you, loving you.
I promise to be more understanding and patient. Let's share our good times and bad times together, with God at the center of our relationship. I love you.
That we are born only to die. Oh, but lately
God is the establisher. He is the foundation of covenants. And what we're doing right now is you are entering into this covenant together.
Huwag kang magmadali. Hayaan ng sandaling
Ang natatandaan ko sa'yo ang lalaking mabilis maglakad. Napansin kita kasi pasimplitang tumitingin pag nakikita mo ako.
kung pipilitin ang utak mo'ng magulo. Huwag na huwag kang mangangamba't nandito ako.
Medyo mukha kang masungit. Parang anytime, mananap ka, parang gano'n. So, doon pa lang naganda na ako sa'yo, that time na.
Di baling mahuli, lumakad ka't nasa iyong tabi. Pagsasamahan, kahit pa maiwan, ayos lang. At sa pag-ikot ng mundo, sana'y kasama mo ako. Sakaling malimot mo ito, ipapaalala sa iyo ang oras na to. Kasama ko.
I will be your companion, your best friend, your kamarites. I can promise to give everything to you, but I will provide everything you need. I love you, my love.
At sa pag-ikot ng mundo, at sa pag-ikot ng mundo, at sa pag-ikot ng mundo, sana'y kasama mo ako. Sakaling malimot mo ito, ipapaalala sa iyo. At sa pag-ikot ng